Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change audio settings in Audacity. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, open Audacity on your computer. Then click the Edit menu at the top and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click Audio Settings from the left panel. Here you can change both playback and recording settings. Under Playback Device, choose the speaker or headphones that you want to use for listening. Under Recording Device, select the microphone that you want to use for recording. For voice recordings, set the recording channels to mono. Mono recording is recommended because it creates a cleaner voice recording and uses less file space than stereo. Next, choose the project sample rate. You can select 44,100 Hz for most recordings or 48,000 Hz for video editing and professional projects. You can also adjust the audio buffer settings if you experience delay or audio glitches during recording or playback. In most cases, the default settings work perfectly fine. After making the changes, click OK to save your settings. These audio settings can improve recording quality, reduce problems, and help Audacity work better with your microphone and speakers. That's how to change audio settings in Audacity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.